A young black cat and a magpie seem to have come to an impasse at the side of the road. The cat, usually a predator in its territory, seems to be terrorized by the young magpie, also known as the pica in Latin. The young magpie does not seem to be deterred, and the cat casually flicks its tail as if to try and ward off the magpie in its actions and endeavors. But the other magpie is not deterred and carries on trying to pester the young black cat. He pecks nervously here and there. The cat, a little unnerved at the magpie's seeming determination, "Oh, what are we having here? Another magpie has come into the scene. The cat, he's having to take some action here. What are we experiencing here? The cat walking off the screen. Oh, he doesn't seem to like this. The second magpie has made the final decision. He's having to leave." Yes, he carries on walking. And I think we can conclusively say that in this case, unstereotypically seen, the magpies have won over the cat, and he is leaving the territory.